For all of you who enjoy frozen desserts, I have the perfect caramel flavoured iced coffee recipe that I think you'll love. Here's what you'll need: a large recipe glass, a shaker to mix it all up, as well as an Arancino milk foamer. As for the ingredients, you'll need 2 scoops of caramel ice cream, you'll need some salted caramel syrup, then 10 centilitres of vanilla milk and some crushed ice. And the piece de resistance that will give the recipe the character that it needs, the Ristretto Grand Cru. Now, not only will you need one of these, but you'll need 2. So let's start things off with these. Repeat the operation a second time before pouring the ristrettos into the shaker. Then add both scoops of caramel ice cream, give it a good shake, and then pour the mix into the large recipe glass. Add some crushed ice. On the side, prepare some nice and frothy vanilla milk using your Arancino. And then, for the final touch, lightly sprinkle the foam with some brown sugar, add a little chunk of caramel, just for fun, and voila! Take a look at that final result. I'll leave you to it because I have a caramel iced coffee to enjoy. And I hope you will too.